Question number 24. State the law of conservation of momentum and derive the formula MA/UA plus MB/UB is equal to MA/VA plus MB/VB. The law of conservation of momentum states that the sum of momenta of two objects before collision is equal to the sum of momenta after collision, provided there is no unbalanced forces acting on them. This means that the total momentum of the two objects is unchanged or conserved by collision. Here you can see the two balls A and B having mass MA and MB moving with the speed UA and UB. So they collide with each other, and after collision they again move with each other. If two balls A and B of masses MA and MB are traveling in a straight line with initial velocities UA and UB, UA is greater than UB. So UA will come and collide with UB, that is the ball B. The two balls will collide with each other. During collision at a time t, ball A exerts a force FAB on ball B. So what is FAB? The force exerted by ball A on ball B, and the ball B exerts a force FBA on ball A. If VA and VB are the velocities of the balls A and B after collision, here before collision the velocity were UA and UB, that were initial velocities. After collision the velocity becomes VA and VB of the ball A and B respectively. The momenta of the ball A before and after collision are MU and MV. Ball A, that is MA/UA and MA/VA. Change in momentum of ball A during collision. So change in momentum, final momentum minus initial momentum. So MA/VA minus MA/UA. Rate of change of momentum of ball A. So rate of change of momentum, we know that is force. Force FAB is equal to MA common VA minus UA upon T. Change in momentum of ball B during collision is equal to MB VB minus MB UB. Rate of change of momentum of the ball B, that is FBA, is equal to MB common VB minus UB upon T. Now we apply the Newton's third law of motion, that force FAB exerted by ball A on ball B is equal to but opposite to the force FBA exerted by ball B on ball A. So we can write FAB is equal to minus FBA. Just input in the values of FAB and FBA. FAB, MA in the bracket VA minus UA by T is equal to minus MB VB minus UB upon T. So you can cancel the term T on both the sides. The denominator part T moves out. So MAVA plus MAUA is equal to minus MBVB plus MBUB. So taking the mu part on one side and mv part on the other side of the equation, so we are getting the equation MAUA plus MBUB is equal to MAVA plus MBVB. What is the term on the left hand side? It is the initial momentum, total initial momentum, and the term on the right hand side is the total final momentum. So momentum, total momentum of the system is conserved. That is law of conservation of momentum.